welcome back to my channel. I just finished filming the skeleton makeup look Halloween video thing, so I kind of wanted to give you guys an idea of what you're walking into. I know the lighting is really dark right now and it's not the best. It's not this way the whole video. It's just this took a really long time, so I ended up having to do some makeshift lighting because I don't have actual YouTube lights yet. But I hope that it still looks really impressive to you in this intro. If you want to see how to create this look for Halloween, just keep on watching. So for this Halloween tutorial look, I already have my eyes done. If you want to see how I did my eyes, I will link my video down below. It's that emerald green smoky eye halo look that I did about a week ago, and now I'm just going to add on top of it and do a skull makeup. For this video, I'm going to take inspiration from James Charles's blue neon skeleton look. I kind of have an idea of where I want everything already. This one's going to be more of a, woo, I'm throwing things everywhere. This one's going to be more of a glitter look compared to a blue. I'm gonna take direction from like where he drew all of his lines and everything for my idea. I just am using this random cream makeup from Target. It was like $1. Hopefully it goes well over top of normal makeup. We'll find out, I guess. I got it in white and in black, obviously. And then for the glitter, I decided to use just some NYX loose glitter. And I have their glitter primer, and then I also have their jumbo eye pencil to kind of trace everything out, because I don't want to go in with this right away and no, that's just not a good idea. This is almost kind of like a first impressions too, because I've never used any of this stuff, but we'll see how everything goes. So let's take a look at James Charles's video. So he started with his teeth. It also looks like he's using a pencil, kind of like this jumbo NYX pencil. So we're gonna start going in with the teeth, and I'm gonna be looking at how he did his for mine. So let's pray for a sister in the spirit of James Charles. Pray for a sister and see and hope that it works out like I want it to. Gonna go under the cheekbone, so I think I'm gonna do that too. Looking good. Okay, so he started with his nose next. I guess we'll do the same thing. Okay, so far this is what it's looking like. I think it's looking pretty good actually compared to other beginners. I think it's pretty good because I haven't done anything like this ever, so I think it's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna try and mirror what I did here on the other side. So far, this is what it's looking like. I think it looks pretty good. So this is all the outline and everything. I think James Charles has been enough now, so now we should be able to do the rest of the makeup tutorial kind of on our own. But I just kind of used him as a guide for the lines and everything, and I think they turned out pretty good. So I think what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to start to use this black cream paint, and I'm gonna kind of fill in everything. So to put on this paint, I think I'm going to use Morphe E17 just so that I can kind of really get in there. Now, I don't know how dark this stuff is. If you feel more comfortable going in with like a liner, then I would do so. I just don't have a liner right now to go in with, so this is what we're gonna be doing. Okay, so after 5 million years later, I finally outlined everything in black. So now I'm gonna take the white and I'm gonna do that with all of these lines, and then I'm also gonna fill in my teeth too. For at least filling in the teeth, I'm gonna use a Morphe E18 quick and just try and fill in those teeth. For the lines, this might actually work too because they are a little bit thicker, so we'll see how it goes. Is done. I'm definitely looking like a normal skeleton right now, but that's gonna change really quick, so stay tuned for the glitter. So to put on the glitter, we're gonna use the E36, and first we're going to want to use this primer. I just got the NYX glitter primer, so hopefully it works. We're gonna take this and we're just gonna put it like directly on the brush, I think. And then we're gonna brush this along these white lines, and then we're just gonna, you know, let it sit there, and then we're gonna put the glitter directly on. Here, I'm gonna get a flashlight really quick up on me so y'all can kind of see better. I'm finding that if I use the same brush that I do for the glue, that the glitter is just gonna kind of mush around, so I'm gonna need to use a different brush. I think I'll use this little brush for the glitter portion, and I'm gonna use this part for the primer or glue. quick go over everything with this matte black shadow. Everything that's in black, obviously. Okay guys, this is the finished skeleton look. I am really impressed with myself. I didn't think that I would actually be able to pull this off, but oh my goodness, I'm so excited to be wearing this for Halloween. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure that you leave a like on this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification down below so that you are notified every time that I make a new upload. Otherwise, thanks for watching this super duper long video. I know it's super dark outside, so it's kind of not the best lighting, but thank you for sticking around to the end if you have, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.